Hello everyone. We have entered a bold new chapter in the legal practice, one where artificial intelligence is no longer fiction but a fact in our courtrooms, law firms, and legal strategies. It is said technology is a useful servant but a dangerous master. In this video, let's discuss what is AI in legal context. Simply, if you put it like this, that it's a machine's ability to mimic human intelligence, but in legal practice, it's not about robots arguing in court. It's about how tools like machine learning, natural language processing, and data analytics are changing and how we are working. AI doesn't replace lawyers, but it augments their capabilities. Let's talk about where AI is already in action. Tools like Relativity can review thousands of legal documents in minutes. So it is used for document review purpose. For legal research, AI tools scan databases and highlight relevant precedents with speed and precision. Contract analysis, AI reviews contracts, flags, risks, and ensures compliances. Some tools can even predict outcomes which are based on past judgments, which are useful but ethically sensitive too. Benefits of AI in the legal profession are many, and the benefits are though undeniable because it will save time, it reduces errors, it costs, improves the client service which lawyers give to their clients. Now imagine spending more time building legal strategy rather than reading a 300-page contract line by line. But every technological leap comes with responsibilities. So, what about bias in AI predictions? Can a machine really understand justice? How secure is client data processed by AI? As lawyers, we must question and regulate AI just as we adopt it. A warning sign to us about the misuse of AI, which can be seen from two latest international cases where lawyers gave up the case laws and citations in court which were fake and bogus, that were either definitely or suspected to have been generated by AI. Also, there was another case of 2023 in the US District Court for the Southern District of New York descended into chaos when a lawyer was challenged to produce the seven apparently fictitious cases they had cited. Justice Victoria Sharp, she warned the legal fraternity on misuse of AI. Even our honorable sitting CGI, he also emphasized the risks which are associated with overdependence on AI driven legal tools when he was speaking at a conference which was organized by the Supreme Court of Kenya. Though he acknowledged the AI's potential to streamline case management. So the future, when we talk about future of law with AI, definitely AI will be there, but it will not replace lawyers. But lawyers who will use AI, they will have a competitive edge. As Albert Einstein, to quote Albert Einstein, the human spirit must prevail over technology. The future lawyer must be both legally wise and technologically fluent, and we must shape AI and not fear it with its proper use. What are your thoughts on AI in law? Are we ready to embrace it with open arms or cautious steps should be taken? Do share your perspective in the comments. Thanks for watching the video.